Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. The manner, guys. At this point of the work, it's very important to understand what you need to create step by step and what is left to be done. For example, now I'm creating the roof. It's quite interesting. I will create this part as another floor by itself. But before, I want to understand if paint before the inside of this first floor. A very important stage of the work is now that you see a lot of cracks and holes in the whole building. But don't worry, because before the priming stage we will fix every cracks and holes and little imprecision in the building process. I'm pretty satisfied by the results, guys. Live, this building is amazing. It's full of details and I love it. Now I want to finish the tower with some wooden part here. I don't know yet how I will make the roof. Maybe it will be like a square roof, and also this side of the roof will be very nice if I take it like this, but I don't know. Still, it's a work in progress. Mainly I have my idea in mind. It's very improvised and I like this way. One material that is a life changer is this one. This is a net that is for builders. It's useful when you need to use the stucco on wall filler in the cracks and the holes and stuff like that. As you have seen during the process when I built, for example, the windows, this is perfect for create this net beyond the windows. Without further ado, let's continue the work. Craft on!
One of the best ways to support this channel is to shop through my Amazon affiliate links. If you click on the link on the description box below, you will find a list of products I love and recommend. By clicking on the link of your country, you can make purchases directly on Amazon, allowing me to obtain from Amazon a small, very small percentage on the sale of the product. Nothing changes for you, but for me is all the support of the world. Take a look.
Okay, what a beautiful work. I like very much this storage part. I will also add a little entrance, an edge here, so it seems that you come somewhere from the bottom. And that's it. I think this is quite a beautiful wooden work, guys. I'm very satisfied. A lot of roofing for the next episode, but yeah, till next time. Happy crafting!